Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you that it's super necessary to notice the slightest improvement of a vision after eye exercises. You need to set a task to notice as many different improvements in your vision as possible, and believe me that in a week or two you will begin to notice which you haven't seen before. For example, a bird on a tree that you haven't noticed before, and already the visual field has become wider. Visual attention will be increased, and so on. Notice any changes in your visual perception. This is still a fuzzy vision, but this already signals that your vision is recovering. And if you concentrate on them, then your vision will steadily begin to recover. Natural vision improvement is a long-term goal. If you ignore the improvements and do not notice, then your brain will not have the command that you improve your vision. Then you work for a week, a month, but it seems that the vision hasn't improved. It seems that nothing happened, and this will give you disappointment, because there are no signals and nothing stimulates you with the enthusiasm that was at the beginning when you started doing eye exercises. If you notice these little glimpses of good, clear, bright vision, then you will set your brain to look for this good vision, and your brain will find it and improve it. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.